Let's go. Hey guys, it's me Dylan, and today we are playing Roblox mini golf. We're gonna do a couple rounds of this. There's only 2 rounds left of this one. Um, so yeah. We are playing Roblox. I was thinking of doing a live stream, but lively or not lively. What the heck? Shit. Um. Like every time I try to go live, um, it keeps making this weird noise, and like it keeps ending me out. So it doesn't really end me out, but it just like makes this weird noise, and um, like I hate it. Then I have to mute myself, and like it's not fun. So I just edited my Musically account. Well, see, you can't even see it. Okay, I'm gonna just get rid of my goal. People should know what the goal is. Oh, well, we have to go slow. Lined up. And then shoot it. Bang. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. That was easy. That was an easy par. So. So you guys can go follow me on Musically. So. Joyful Dylan. Oh my gosh, that's actually right on the screen. Yeah. I'm trying to reach 1,000 fans. Um. Anyway. Ooh, close. That was very close. Oh wow. I got second place. So Master Evan 7777 got first. I got second, and Little Cream Puff 2 got third. Good game, everyone. And I take W's. Well, not today, girl. No, you didn't. You didn't take that W today. Anyway. Um. Um. So, how's everyone's day? So, bang, she saw me do bang, 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 she saw me again, but it's not me, like, no can say bang, bang, she saw me do bang, bang, bang. Oh! Oh, did y'all see that? Oh! That was lit right there. I think that was like 2. Yeah, bang, and then, yep, that was a 2 right there. Man. So, my credits up here in the corner, I have 15,000 of them. I really don't want to spend them just yet, because, no, I don't want to do that yet. So, oh, what? What? How did this person get a hole-in-one when there's a thing right there? I'm confused. I'm confuzzled. Alright. This person cannot get a hole-in-one on this one, so... Because getting a hole-in-one on this one is... Ooh, dang, that was good. That was good right there. So, I think I'm gonna do a little prank off of there. See, I told you, it's hard. Oh, what? 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 Oh, Evan did that too. Oh, what? Lucky. Y'all lucky. See, I'm getting a boogie because of this. Oh well. Sorry if it's lagging for you guys. But yeah. So I had to change my channel name again. I told you guys about this in my other video. But this is not my dad's channel. He wanted me to change it because he doesn't want to be known as basically underscore lit squad because it's his channel or his email's connected to this. So that's why it's my dad's name. So don't think it's his channel, my dad's channel, because it looks like a painting thing, but it's actually my channel. So you guys don't have to worry about that. So it is my channel. I've done most of the work. So I did all the work actually. If you think about it, I did all the work. He didn't do anything. So yeah. I was gonna ask some people to Skype. Yeah, if you don't have me on Skype, I should go do that. It's basically underscore Dylan Hart or Dylan XOX76. And I was willing to Skype people, but people are not online. And plus, by the time people add me and stuff, it's kind of like the videos are gonna be over. So, we could ask Josh to Skype. Don't know if he'll be down for it. Oh well. Anyway, okay, I'm starting to come back a little bit. Let's see. I'm in third. There's only 5 places. Like what? There's only 5 places. I feel kind of. This feels weird. Anyway, I was thinking of doing some ASMR on my channel, but you guys would probably hate the way I eat. Oh my god, the way I eat is so weird. It's not even funny. Oh, what kind of way? Yeah, the way I eat is really weird. Oh, what? I gotta start all over. Are you kidding me? Man, I gotta start all over. No! Can I just give up? I want to give up. Like right now. There's only 15 seconds, and I'm gonna be at 19 if I don't make it. Oh! Made it! Come on. Make it on the 9th thingy, so I can be at 18 instead of 19. Yes! Oh my god! Morning. Okay. Hi. Set it to me. Oh. Man. Oh, now it's a 3-way battle. Oh, there goes Evan. Now we're all winners. LOL. I know, right? Oh, that's funny. Oh! Well, that person's out. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, yes! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's funny. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's funny. I rely on the bank. I do. No, I'm still at 20. I'm still at 21. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm charging my phone, so if you guys hear something in the... Oh, there's the hole right there! No! No! Come on. This is freaking... Give me the... Oh! No! No! Okay, well, at least I'm in line for the hole now. No! Come on! I think I got it, though. I think I got it though. Cause like if I do it, just oh, ooh. I just got a nice shot for 5. I was close on not making it, but I did get it for 5. So, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's see if I can aim this just right. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, I'll take that. Um, um, so you guys should go follow me on the social media. I'll post it down below. But yeah, I think I'll end the video here today, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, a comment, and go subscribe and turn on my post notifications. Join the notification squad, because, you know, that'll be lit. I think when I reach 200, there will be some type of giveaway for MSP users. Um, so yeah. Man, alright. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright, bye.